Thank you very much.
Absolutely, you guys.
Ti'n mynd i ofyn neu ti fi ofyn?
O, la dir am bech.
So we're looking for a room, well, a couple of rooms for the night. We are.
Okay.
And we've been told this is the best place in town.
It is, yeah. I have 2 rooms available.
You got 2 available.
Very nice ones. It's called our Bonnie and Clyde suite.
Bonnie and Clyde.
Yeah.
Okay,
They
okay.
stayed here?
They picked that room on the corner of the property because they could overlook the bank, because there was a bank that was a block down, and then they could see downtown, so they could see if the sheriff was coming.
Wow.
All right, well,
Yeah.
sneaky and clever.
Exactly. And then we also have another suite, the Cattle Baron suite.
Right, 3 dim 5. Mae'n dweud ar y drws, the Bonnie and Clyde. O, man bech, mae hon yn beauty. Chi fewn. Mae hon fatha sweet i frenin. A Bonnie and Clyde di bod yma. A fo'r gwn. Dyma nhw'r ffenestri oedd nhw'n sôn amdan. Ar bob cornel, un i wylio'r banc, a'r llall i wylio y brif street. A dyna hi fyna, o dan nai. Tas o'n eisiau dwy'n o'r banc, beth o'n i'n neud o fan hyn, ond dwi'n mynd i. Eith o'n yn iawn i fi. Gret. Yes.
Oh, magic. Anhygoel. Fan hyn oes cattle barons yn dod i aros o pethau. Achos nôl yn yr hen ddyddiau, lawr ar y stryd fan hyn, oes Cowbois wedi cerdded y gwartheg fewn, lawr i'r stockyards. Mae'r sign right tu allan fan hyn, Fort Worth Stockyards. A dyma fi fan hyn, fy hunan. Ail fyw hanes allai,